Have you ever wondered how our ancestors built magnificent structures like the pyramids or forged legendary weapons without modern technology? What if I told you that some of the most ingenious tools in history have been lost to time? Today, we're going to uncover these forgotten marvels and learn how to recreate ancient tools that shaped civilizations. Hey, history buffs and DIY enthusiasts. I'm your name, and welcome to a journey through time where we'll rediscover lost craftsmanship and bring ancient technology back to life. Let's kick things off with a mind-blowing fact. Did you know that Roman concrete is more durable than modern concrete? That's right. Their 2,000-year-old structures are still standing strong while our modern buildings often need repairs after just 50 years. But how did they do it?
In this video, we'll dive into the fascinating world of historical engineering and learn how to recreate three incredible ancient tools: the Roman concrete mixer, the Egyptian copper chisel, the Greek Archimedes screw. Are you ready to unravel these mysteries? Hit that like button if you're as excited as I am to bring these forgotten technologies back to life. Let's start with the Roman concrete mixer. This ingenious device allowed the Romans to create their super strong concrete. To recreate it, we'll need a large wooden barrel, a central rotating shaft, wooden paddles, and of course, the secret Roman concrete recipe. As we put this together, think about how this simple yet effective design revolutionized construction in the ancient world. It's incredible how such a basic concept could have such a massive impact. Now let's move on to the Egyptian copper chisel. These tools were instrumental in carving the intricate details we see in ancient Egyptian art and architecture. To recreate one, we'll need pure copper, a furnace hammers, and a lot of patience. It's amazing to think that with just these basic materials, the ancient Egyptians were able to create some of the most enduring art in human history. If you're fascinated by ancient Egyptian craftsmanship, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more videos on forgotten history. Finally, let's tackle the Greek Archimedes screw. This brilliant invention was used to move water uphill and revolutionized agriculture and engineering. To recreate it, we'll use PVC pipe, a wooden shaft, some basic tools. As we put this together, imagine how this simple yet effective design changed the game for ancient farmers and engineers. It's a perfect example of how ingenuity can solve complex problems.
And there you have it, folks. We've just recreated three incredible ancient tools that were once lost to time. It's fascinating to see how our ancestors solved complex problems with simple yet brilliant solutions. What ancient tool or technology would you like to see recreated next? Drop your ideas in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey through historical engineering, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to join us on more adventures into forgotten history. Next time, we'll be exploring the lost art of Viking sword making. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Until then, keep exploring, keep creating, and remember, the past has a lot to teach us about the